Hello friend, from this tutorial we are going to discuss about user defined data type. So we have seen all the data type that PostgreSQL offer. Can we create our own data type? Yes, we can. So the syntax is there are many ways. For now syntax is create domain and the data type. Uh, Create domain and the data type. Okay. Suppose if we create a data type using this domain, this is only limited to that schema only. Means here you can see that the public schema contain all this. If you click here and create one more schema, then this the user defined data type declared for this are only valid for this schema only. Or suppose let's the complete syntax is create domain and the name, new name for the data type. Suppose new name or name as followed by as keyword as data type and constraint if some check constraint or any other. Okay. This is the basic syntax for creating a. Okay, let's see with the help of example. Suppose create one domain, create sorry create domain ADR address varchar 10 suppose, and here create domain, this is our data name, and varchar is data type followed by constraint if any, suppose not null. Let's run the query. Yes, query returned successfully. So now we can use this data type to our table. Let's create one table. Create table, suppose location, and inside this the address is the first column, and we can give here varchar also, but we have defined one data type for user defined data type. Let's use this for this address and the semicolon. Okay, let's create the table only with one column. Yes, table is created. We can see that the table select star from location. Here you can see that the location, the data type is character varying. If you click here, table is not showing, just refresh it. If you go here and click on the column is address. Let's check the data type for this. In definition, you can see that the data type is add r. That's it. Suppose let's insert some values into address table. Insert into location values with for the column name is address location, first suppose Sangamaner, Sangamaner and Akole, and the third is Nagar. That's it. Let's insert this value. Yes, value is inserted and Nagar. Okay. Suppose I have used varchar with 10. Let's insert a big value. Let's try to insert a big value for the ADDR data type. Yes, it giving an error that value is too long for character varying 10. That's it. Thank you.